Okay, well, guys, good evening, everyone. How are you doing all?
Good evening, sir. Fine.
Good evening, sir. We're fine.
Very good. Chalo. Guys, I hope you might have gone through your results. So, congratulations. You guys performed well. So, we'll see. We'll discuss the question paper today. Guys, can you able to see the screen?
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir.
One second. Guys, can you able to see the screen? Guys, can you able to see? Turn
Yes,
on
sir.
your cameras, please,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Everyone, turn on your cameras, please. Turn on your cameras, guys. Are you here? Udbhav, and Ahil or Akil. Ahil, why didn't you attempt your test? Batao. Udbhav, are you here? Tell me, Udbhav, why didn't you attempt your test?
sir, I was out.
Sorry?
I was out, sir.
You
Not
were out.
in.
So you had plenty of, I know you had very long time, right, to attempt your test.
No, sir. I was this whole weekend. I was out.
Huh?
I was not at home, sir.
You are not at home.
No.
See, if you're missing out the test, then how will you test yourself and how you're gonna decide that whether you are understanding or not, whether you are getting a good result or not? How can I decide and how can I see and how can I show? How will you show yourself? Tell me. Udbhav, I'm talking to you, Udbhav. You must
Sir,
talk.
I'll practice the question paper questions.
Diksha, yeah, Diksha was present. Did you attempt Diksha?
What, sir?
Tested. What I'm talking about.
Test.
Sorry?
I wrote the test.
Very good. What about Ahil? Ahil and Akil, turn on your camera. भाई थोड़ा वीडियो टर्न ऑन कीजिए. Ahil ji, turn on your camera and speak out. Ahil, turn on your camera, unmute yourself, and talk something. I'm asking a question to you. Ahil, are you talking? Arey yaar, are you here or not, man? Tell me. I'm asking you the reason, beta.
Sir, he's speaking, sir.
Sorry?
He's saying he's speaking, sir.
Where is he speaking? I can't hear you. Ahil, I can't hear him, right? Okay, you give the reason to Manoj, sir. Who else absent? Adityan. Adityan, why did you absent Adityan? Adityan. I would like to, I would like to see that you guys are talking in a class. I cannot, I don't wanna read your message basically. Ahila Akil. Who didn't attempt the test? Ahil Akil.
Sir, I attempted.
But I couldn't, see your marks. Ahil Akil. You did the test. Someone, yeah, okay. Someone like absent is name has been posted in the group. Who else? Tushar attempted. Sreja attempted the test. Anujit, yes. Prativa, yes. Okay, chalo. Okay, guys, look at this. So, what's the first question? Secant 9 secant square minus 9 tan square. What's the answer? 9 is the answer. Why? Because if I take 9 common, I'm going to get secant square minus tan square. So, secant square minus tan square identity. As per the identity, it is going to give me 1. So, 9 into 1, it's going to be 1. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. Let us solve this question. Second one. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. So 1 plus cot theta plus, so cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to what? Is this the question? Yes or no? Look at this, guys, here. So what can I do here? So first let me write tan theta as it is. 1 plus tan theta. अरे यार क्या हो रहा है? Plus secant theta. 1 plus cot theta can be written as what? Cos theta divided by sin theta, isn't it? Minus cosec theta can be written as how?
1 by sin theta.
1 by sin theta. Right here, let us write 1 plus tan theta as it is plus secant theta. So what is LCM here? Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. Isn't it? Yes or no? Isn't it, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pratisha is joining now. Huh. Oh, I think, yeah, look at this, guys. Now, if you write this, there is no point of writing. The function has become in terms of sin and cos. So we can't make anything. Look at the options. Options given something like, so 1, 2. So we have to get into in terms of tan and cot only. So we'll do one thing. Instead of doing all this, look at this. So cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta, isn't it?
Sir, or we can convert them each to so 1 plus tan theta can be written as 1 plus sine by cos plus 1 by
Yeah, if you
cos.
do that, it is a very long procedure. Look at this here. Yes, that is also correct. Then if I'm converting this as cos by sine, then you must convert this as well. So I'm not converting both. I'm converting only one and doing that. Clear. I understand your point. So sin theta, tan theta can be written as sine by cos. Secant can be written as 1 by cos. So that's how we can just convert these two functions, two terms, and solve further. You will get the answer. That's what you're saying. Yeah, of course you will get it.
Yes, sir.
So tan theta plus 1 minus here tan theta into cosecant theta. I'm getting clear. All right, divided by tan theta. All right. So here tan theta into cosecant theta can be written as what? Tan theta into cosecant theta. So tan theta as it is I'm writing, tan theta I'm writing sin theta by cos theta. If I write sin theta by cos theta into cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So sin will get cancelled. I remain with what? 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta can be written as what? Secant theta. Secant theta. So look at this now. So 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into can I write simply as 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta whole divided by tan theta. Can I write like this? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how can I do this further? How can I do this further? Can we cancel individually? Look at this. Can we cancel individually? So 1 by tan theta by plus tan theta by tan theta plus secant theta by tan theta. Isn't it?
Sir,
Or
sir,
else,
how to simplify
yes.
that?
See
We
here.
can take
Yes. Well, we don't have plus in between, right? So can we do like this? A plus B into A minus B. This is A plus B. This is A minus B. Can I do like that? Yes or no? A
Yes.
square minus B square divided by tan theta. 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus.
Sir, A here term is 1 plus tan theta, right?
A plus 1. So A plus
Then
B.
A square minus B square would be 1 plus tan
Oh,
whole square minus.
yeah. Sorry. So 1 plus tan theta whole square. A square minus B square. Secant theta whole square by tan theta. So guys, 1 plus tan square theta can be written as what? So we'll convert this. A square plus B square plus 2 tan theta minus secant square theta divided by tan theta. All right, guys. So look at this here now. Can I write one can be written as how? One can be written as what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta plus tan square theta. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
So this gone, this gone. So 2 tan theta by tan theta बचा मुझे. Answer बचा 2. Final answer 2. Any doubt? Any doubts? Am I recording, guys?
No, sir.
Am I recording?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chalo. I hope you understand, guys. Look at this here. Here 1 can be written as what? Here 1 I am writing as secant square theta minus tan square theta. Since secant square minus tan square theta identity is 1. So I'm writing in place of 1, I'm writing this one. This tan, this everything I'm writing same. After writing that, sir, how did you get an idea to write that? So because if I write, so I can cancel plus minus terms. So that is the main reason why I'm writing that. I hope you cleared. I hope I cleared your doubt. Chalo. Next question. Answer is 2. So option C is correct. So look at this now. ये वाला देखो. Secant theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta. He has beautiful explanation he has given. Look at this. So secant theta he is writing 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is writing sin theta by cos theta. And this function 1 minus sin A is writing same. So look at the third step. He is taking LCM. So 1 plus sin theta divided by sin A divided by cos A into 1 minus sin A he has. Yes. So he's multiplying. Sorry, he's multiplying 1 by cos A into this one, and sin A by cos A into this one. After multiplication, he is getting this stuff. So answer is cos A. So shall we do this, guys? If you want me to do, I will do. Secant plus tan 1 minus sin. Look at this. The question is what? Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Right? So secant A can be written as 1 by cos A, beta sin A by cos A. All right. 1 minus sin A. I took LCM here, writing 1 by sin A by cos A. Right? This into 1 minus sin A. I'm writing somewhat fast, guys. So we have to finish all the questions today. Right? So look at this. So can I multiply this now? Can I multiply? A plus B into A minus B. Yes or no? A square minus B
Yes, sir.
square
Yes.
divided by cos A. So 1 minus cos square is 1 minus sin square is cos square A. Identity cos A. One time will get cancelled. I remain with cos A. ये होगा हमारा final answer. समझ रहे हैं? Guys, 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Identity.
Cos square.
How? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. I told you, no. So 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A gives me cos square A. That's what I'm writing here. I hope I cleared your doubt, guys. So please try to follow the class. Try to follow my voice as simultaneously. Then only you'll be able to understand. Am I going fast, guys? Is it clear with everyone?
No, sir. Clear.
Very simple. Chalo, next question. Next question. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Then secant theta is equal to क्या होता है? बेटा ये तो बढ़िया सवाल है सबसे. बताइए मुझे कैसा करेंगे इसको हम? Tell me, guys, how can we do this? Any idea? How many of you have done this? If you have solved this question correctly, then you are in a right track. Tell me, guys, how many of you have done this question correctly? I'm asking you only, you must talk. Hello?
Sir, I didn't get this one correct, so
So who else?
Me either, sir. I didn't get this one correct.
Very simple. Yeah, look at this. Let me explain you. So secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x given. Then secant theta पूछ रहा है. इसको कैसा करेंगे? Very beautiful and very good question. So इसको कैसा करेंगे देखो. So I'm just multiplying, dividing with something. Secant theta plus tan theta as it is I'm writing. Divided by secant theta minus tan theta. I'm multiplying and dividing with this. Rationalizing kind of thing. You say, but not exactly rationalization. I'm just multiplying and dividing with the secant theta minus tan theta. So why you are multiplying? Let me show you. Why? Because look at this. It became now a plus b into a minus b. That can
Yes, sir.
be secant square theta minus tan square theta.
Yes, sir.
Secant theta minus tan theta. All right. So it becomes 1. Numerator part it becomes 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 1.
So 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta is equal to x. This is x. This is equal to x. No. Yes or no? All right.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is my x here. Guys, he is asking for secant theta, right? Let us say this is my equation number 1. So what is my 1 by x here? That is the second equation. If I add 1 plus 2, what I'm going to get? Look at this. If I add 1 plus 2, what I'm going to get? What I'm going to get? X plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta plus secant theta minus tan theta by 1. क्या आता है? देखो x
Sir,
square.
why did you add them?
Why? Because look at my options. From the options itself, I got an idea. We have something 1 by x. In the denominator have 1 x, right? So 1 by x. So I need to reciprocate that. That's how I got an idea. We have to look at this, guys. Whenever you are paying something, MCQ question, something competitive kind of exam, you must always have a look at options. You cannot solve, randomly. Trigonometric questions, you have to look up on the options first. So as per the option, you have to move the steps. One question can be solved in several ways, but no need of solving in several ways. You need an answer here. It doesn't mean that how you are solving. Clear? We have to solve as per the question, as per the answer. You have to keep the options in mind. In the options, we have 1 by x something. So that's the reason I got an idea that I have to reciprocate the given. I have to reciprocate the equation number 1. If x is equal to this one guy, 1 by x is equal to what? Ulta to this, reverse to that. Right? If I add this, if I add, so I'm getting x square plus 1 by x. Look at this, add this. So what is LCM? Secant theta minus tan theta is LCM. So secant theta minus tan theta is LCM, right? So into secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, isn't it, guys? After taking LCM, how many of you understood this stuff? Guys, LCM I have taken this one, guys. LCM secant theta minus tan theta into 1 is secant theta minus tan theta. So after taking LCM, what I must write? So how many times one makes secant theta minus tan theta? Secant theta minus tan theta times only, no? Guys, are you able to understand how I wrote this step? Hello?
Yes, sir.
अरे यार ये कैसा है देखो ना 2 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. How can I write this? What is LCM? 4 is LCM. How many times 2 makes 4? 2 times.
2.
Multiply dividing. So 2 plus 2
3.
plus 3. So 5 by 4. ऐसा कर रहा हूँ मैंने. Understand? I'm just solving like that.
Sir,
Yes.
then why did you multiply it 3 times? I
Where?
got what you said on the top numerator.
Acha, you are. Acha, I wrote. I have to write plus here. No. Here plus, guys, not minus. So into. Clear? Understand?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Now look at this here. So secant square plus 1 by x. कैसा करेंगे इसको अभी? तो ये तो कैंसिल हो गया अभी देखो.
We should take separate and it will cancel, sir.
हाँ. 1 second. Secant theta minus tan theta only. I wrote correct only. Oh my goodness. So guys, look at this here. Then we never get he's asking the question. He's asking us to find secant theta. So if I add these two guys, where will I get secant theta? I never get the secant theta. Then look at this here. This is my x, right? My goodness. This is x, guys. Look at this. This is my x. All right. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x, no? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x.
Yes.
So I got 1 by x is this one. So let us make this as equation number 1. Let us make this as equation number 1. Now we'll add 1 plus 2. Then you will get it correctly. अभी आएगा वो क्यों नहीं आएगा हम भी देखेंगे ना. What was my first equation? Secant theta plus tan
Secant theta plus tan.
secant theta plus tan theta plus. If you do that, guys, you never get like that. That's why we have changed like secant theta minus tan theta 1 by x. Sir, how did you get an idea that we have to reciprocate it? Guys, if I do like this, again I have to take LCM. If I reciprocate it, I can simply add this. Look at this here. Plus theta minus theta will get cancelled. So 2 times of secant theta. Isn't it? Yes or no? So 2 times of secant theta. I need a
Sir,
secant theta.
equation 1 is, can you scroll up?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So equation 1 is secant theta plus tan theta. How did you get equation 2 as secant theta minus tan theta?
Equation 2, how did I get that? I'm reciprocating this one. After reciprocating that, I'm getting 1. You
Yes,
understand?
sir. But it's
No. Look at this here. What I'm saying is, from this I solved this, man. Okay. After multiplying, dividing with this, after multiplying, dividing with the secant theta minus tan theta, I just solved this x part. I'm getting this x value as something like this. 1 by secant theta
Okay.
minus tan theta is equal to this one. I'm reciprocating that. If I reciprocate, so my second equation, I'm just after reciprocating 1 by x, I'm taking a second equation. This second equation and this first equation becoming like secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta. So I can tan minus tan theta plus theta, tan theta I can cancel out. That's how we can get secant theta, no? So here secant theta plus secant theta, I'm getting 2 times of secant theta. So secant theta can be written as what? X square plus 1 divided by x whole divided by 2. Yes or no? So what is my answer now? Secant theta is equal to x square plus 1 divided by 2x. This is my final answer. Samjha? This will go and multiply here, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everyone? Clear? Everyone. I need a response from everyone. Pratyusha, Prativa,
Yes, sir.
Diksha, Ahil,
Yes, sir.
what's your name?
Yes, sir.
Pratyusha ji, understood?
Yes, sir.
देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, सेम है as it is question but he is asking for tan theta. Then what you must do, same question, look at this here. हाँ, what is my first equation here? What was my first equation? This was my first.
Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to.
हाँ, look at this here. Now let us subtract equation 1 minus 2. Let us do. So what will I get? So equation 1 is what? Secant theta minus tan theta, so plus tan theta, minus what was my second equation? Secant theta minus tan theta. It was what it was, x minus 1 by x, no? So if I do so, secant theta plus tan theta minus secant theta plus tan theta, isn't it? Secant theta will get cancelled. So here x square minus 1 divided by x, isn't it? So 2 times of tan theta. 2 times of tan theta is equal to what? X square minus 1 divided by x. So tan theta is what? Tan theta is equal to x square minus 1 divided by 2x.
Square minus 1 by.
So x square minus 1 divided by 2x. So option D is correct. Clear? Option D is correct here. Simple, same question, everything is same. Only thing is what? For getting tan theta, I must subtract. All right, if I subtract, so I'll be getting in terms of tan. After getting in terms of tan, I'll be shifting this to the denominator part. I'll be getting this answer. I hope I cleared your doubt, guys. Yes or no? This is the fourth question. This is the fifth question. All right. Isn't it, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, children? Any doubt from everyone? Everyone. I need a response from everyone.
No doubt, sir.
Guys, are we going fast? Are we going fast?
No, sir, we are in.
Okay, good beta. चलो next question. Next, look at the इसको कैसा करेंगे? 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. सीधा इसको फैक्टर रेशनलाइजेशन कर दो.
Rational.
Rationalization. 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. How can you do this? Rationalize here. So 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. कोई डाउट? कोई डाउट यहाँ? तुषार, शादाब, दीक्षा, कोई डाउट? So how it
No
becomes?
doubt, sir.
1 plus sin square theta. दीक्षा जी कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
So a plus b whole theta. A plus b whole square. Can I write like that? So a square minus b square. देखो ये कैसा आ रहा है? So a square plus b square plus 2 times of sin theta. 1 minus cos square theta is what, Diksha? Cos square theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
As per the identity.
Yes, sir.
1 plus sin square theta. How can I write this? Instead of doing all this,
Sir,
instead of doing,
we
yes,
can
yes, yes,
cancel
yes.
the-
Understood. No need of splitting it. No need of splitting it here. 1 plus sin square theta. Sin theta whole square. Can I split like this? 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by square root of cos square theta. So this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled as we remain with 1 by sin theta divided by cos theta. Right? Any doubt? I'm teaching somewhat fast, so we have to finish all those questions, right? So 1 by cos theta, I'm splitting like this, 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta and tan theta. So this is my answer. Koi doubt? So option A is correct. Any doubt, children? Any doubt here? Tell me.
No, sir, no
Are
doubt.
you able to follow? Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question. Same follows with the seventh one. Rationalization you must do, and in place of 1 minus cos square theta you must write sin theta. So after cancellation everything you will be getting the answer. Same procedure, guys. I hope you understood how to solve the seventh one. Guys, if you know sixth one, if you understood the sixth question whichever we have solved just now, then seventh question is pretty easy.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Any doubt? Hello? Guys, will you be able to solve? Seventh question is very
Yes.
easy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Guys, look at
Yes,
this.
sir.
Eighth question is a direct question. How many of you observed this? We have solved this question in class actually. 3 times of cot A is equal to 4. Check whether 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos square minus sin square A or not. Yes, we have solved this. How? Guys, do you remember this question? 3 times of cot A is
Sir.
equal to 4 given. So cot A is equal to 4 by 3. I have drawn the diagram. Right angle triangle. So A, B.
Yes, sir.
Cot A means what here? Cot A means what? Adjacent. 4 by this one. So how much this one? 5. So hypotenuse I got 5. Isn't it? By applying Pythagoras theorem, I got hypotenuse as 5. After finding tan theta and cos theta, sin theta, if I substitute in the given equation, I'll be getting LHS is equal to RHS. So that is a S. Answer is yes. Ma, are you getting my point, children? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Is there any?
No, sir.
Is there anyone who is not understanding? Please, if you want me to explain it again, I'm ready to explain, guys. Why? Because already we have done this question in the class. You please open your class notes. You will be finding this question. Open your class notes. You will get this question, guys. Next one. Ninth one, in right angle triangle ABC, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. So then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. ये भी सही, ये भी direct question था ना? Huh?
Yes,
Isn't it?
sir.
So tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, right? So how the triangle is going to be? This is A, B, C. Right angle triangle at B. So tan A, which means opposite by root 3. How it is going to be? 2, isn't it? Yes or no? Hypotenuse
Yes,
is
sir.
2. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So after applying Pythagoras theorem, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C.
Sin.
So look at this now. I solved this question already in the class. Sin A is, what is the sin A value here? 1 by 2. What is cos C value? Cos C value root 3 by 2. Plus, what is cos A value? What is cos A value? 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. So 2 times of root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 2 is the answer. Root 3 by is what? Sin 60 is the answer.
Sir, can we solve it this way? We know that tan A is equals 1 by root 3. We know that tan 30 equals 1 by root 3. So can we take A as 30 degrees and
1 second,
then
1 second, 1
substitute?
second. He's asking, we are getting something different answer. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, no? Sin, guys, root 3 by 4. Where did you make a mistake here? Root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Option 1 is given, no? Option B is correct. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, no? Tan A is equal to means opposite by this one, the correct only. So yeah, 2 correct only. Hypotenuse is 2. Where is the mistake happened? Sin A is 1 by 2 correct. Cos C means here opposite. So root 3 by 2. Clear, opposite. Angle will come here. So 1 second, angle will come here. So opposite to this, the root 3. Okay. Again, cos A is what? Root 3 by 2. Oh. Cos A is what here? Root 3 by 2, no? Sin
Sir,
A,
it should be adjacent by hypotenuse. That would be 1 by 2, right?
yes. So root, no. Cos A is what? Adjacent, root 3 by 2. Sin C is what? Sin C is what here? Root 3 by 2.
Root 3, root
Now
3.
we'll get. Look at this here. Root 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Huh? Sin A is what
6
here?
by 4.
Sir, cos C should be 1 by 2, I think.
Yes, 1 by 2. Yes, we are making mistake here. Here cos C is 1 by 2. Cos C is what? Here cos means adjacent by 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 4 by 4. 1 is the answer, correct only. Yes, 4. So go look at this here. Will be sometimes will be so fast. Even we will not be in a position that to understand a small mistake, very small mistake here, right? So 10th one is also same, guys. 10th one is also same. Answer is going to be 0. So you'll be getting 4 minus 4 as 0. 10th one is same, guys, as like as 9th one. 10th one is same. So
Sir,
yes,
when we get questions of these types, it says tan A is 1 by root 3. Since tan 30 equals 1 by root 3, can we take A as
of course, yes,
root
yes,
30 degrees?
yes. Solve it. 110% you will get right answer. So
Okay,
yes,
sir.
yes. One in place of 1 by root 3, you can write 30, tan 30. So tan 10 will get cancelled. A value as 30 degrees. Substitute A value as 30. But how will you do C?
Yes, sir. If all of them are A, then we can do it.
If all of them are A, then you can do that. If all of them are A, then you can do that. If they are different, you cannot do. You must go by applying trigonometric ratios. I mean, like right angle triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem, find the hypotenuse, find the missing side. Then you apply how to opposite by hypotenuse for sin theta, adjacent by sin hypotenuse for cos theta, tan theta means opposite by adjacent. You have to follow like that. Clear? If it is same angle, then you must do that. Clear? So sin 2a is equal to 2 times of sin a is proven. If a is equal to 0 degrees, guys. So, so sin 2a is equal to sin a is given. If a is equal to 0 degrees, right? So substitute here 2 into 0 degrees minus 2 times of sin 0 degrees. So 2 sin 2 into 0, 0 degrees. So 2 sin 0, how much? Sin 0. Look at this here. Guys, I'm writing somewhat fast. Try to please understand. So sin 0 was 0. So 2 into sin 0 was 0. So 2 into 0, 0 is equal to 0. So it is true when a is equal to 0, then only it will be true. Clear, children? When a is equal to 0, then only the answer is, the given question is going to be correct.
Sir,
Yes.
what's the difference between sin 2A and 2 sin A?
Both are different. Look at this. Here angle is double. Here only one angle. Here.
But wouldn't you multiply 2 with the angle anyway?
No. Look at this. That is going to be different here. Look at this. So basically, we'll be having a formula. Sin 2a is equal 2 times of sin a and cos a. Clear that? So 2 sin a is equal to be simply 2 sin a only. That is the difference. Sin 2a is what? 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a formula is basically 2 sin a cos a. How can you write sin 2a? I'll tell you. Sin a plus a. Sin a plus a means again you have a sin a plus b formula. You will be learning all this in your 11th standard. Again sin a plus b formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. If you apply in place of a, in place of b as a, then if you sum all that, you will be getting this answer. Clear now? Are you understanding my point? Bhai, aa raha hai samajh?
Yes,
So
sir.
proof of this you will be understanding in your 11th standard, not now. So if I teach now, everything will go off. So don't be hurry. So sin 2a, the difference I'm telling you. So difference is what? Sin 2a is this one. Sin 2 sin a is simply 2 sin a only. Twice of angle a. Here I'm here. After, look at this here. For suppose if I have sin 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So here, after finding 1 by 2, I'm just multiplying here 2 times. So I'm getting this one. Here I'm not doing that. Here what I'm doing here, after getting what? After getting a value, twice of that, then I'm applying the trigonometry formula. I mean trigonometry angle. If I get something sin 60, then I'll be writing that. We have a huge difference. Both are not same. Clear? Shut up. Shut up. It is clear. Shut up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So, guys, are you able to follow the class? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
What about others? I need a response from everyone, guys. If you are one or two children are responding, I won't be feeling happy.
We
I
are
want to think that you guys are understanding. So let me ask one by one. So Ahil, Anudeep ji, Akil, Srija, Ashish, Pratyusha, Prativa, Tanvi, Tushar.
Yes, understood.
What about
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है ना समझ? कोई दिक्कत है तो पूछ लेना. खामोश नहीं
No,
बैठना,
sir, no
ठीक
difficult.
है? हाँ, ऐसा क्वेश्चन है, उसीलिए हम लोग थोड़ा गियर चेंज करके करके फास्ट चला रहा है गाड़ी को, ठीक है? हाँ देखो, 2 tan थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई 2 tan 30, अरे यार सबसे सिंपल सा सवाल है। tan 30 what is the answer? tan 30 is what? 1/√3. So over there simplify, you will get √3 answer. √3 can be written as tan 60. So tan 60 answer हो गया हमारा, समझा? So you after solving you will be getting the answer as √3. अरे यार √3 is not available in the options. Then how can I conclude the options, guys? You have to again angles you must convert it to numbers. Cos 60 is what? Cos 60 was 1/2. Sin 60 was √3/2. Tan 60 is what? √3. Sin 30 is what? 1/2. So whichever the option is tallying with your answer, that is going to be your option. That is going to be your option. Clear? Understand? Whichever the option
Yes,
is
sir.
tallying with your simplified answer, that is going to be your answer. So tan 60 is going to be very fine. So I already we have solved this type of question. If you have any doubts, so you can ask me. If you want me to teach right now, I'll be teaching. I'll be ready for that. I'm ready for that, guys. Tell me, do you want me to teach 12th one? Anyone?
No, sir.
So next one, 13th one. Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Same thing. In place of secant theta, you write 1 by cos theta. In place of tan theta, you write sin theta by cos theta. अरे यार बहुत so simple है. Secant theta. I think this question has repeated or what? 13th one. Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Already we have solved this question, isn't it? I guess so. Guys, already we have solved this question. Yes or no? This question is repeated. My bad. I'm sorry. So cos A square minus B square divided by cos A. So cos square A divided by cos A. So this go. Cos A will be remaining. This is the answer. Any doubt, guys? Any doubts? Hello? Are you guys here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Arya, you are not talking anything. I thought you guys left. Okay.
Sir, your voice is coming late.
My voice is low.
I mean, it's coming a bit late.
Oh, it's coming bit late. Okay. Next, 14th one. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. So guys, 1 plus tan square A formula is what? Secant square A, isn't it? Secant square A divided by 1 plus cot square A formula is what? Cosecant square A. Look at this. 14th one, I know the formula. Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Again, cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So from these two identities, how can I do that? So yes, given that 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus tan square A formula is what? If I shift this minus this side, I'm going to get secant square A. Divided by 1 plus cot square is what? Cosecant square A. So look at this here, cos square A can be written as 1 by, secant square A can be written as 1 by cos square A. Divided by sin square, cosecant square A can be written as 1 by sin square A. Any doubt here? So it will get reciprocal. I'm going to get this one. All right, so it is going to be tan square A. आ रहा है समझ? कोई doubt? कोई doubt? Any doubt, children?
No, sir.
Tan square is going to be answer. So let us see the option. Option D is correct. 15th question is same as like as 12th one, but in the denominator we had minus over there, we have plus here. That is the only difference. So we'll be getting √3/2 here. So sin 60 is answer. Look at that. He has given the explanation. Please everyone go through the explanation once. Any doubts here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Chalo. Next one. 16th one. So 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Straight away I can give the answer blindly. 0 is the answer. Why? Because tan 45 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Numerator is 0. Denominator, whatever it may be. 0 by something, 0 only, no? Yes or no?
Sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So directly, you can finish the answer. You can finish the exam within 15 minutes actually. But I have given you some 1 hour or something like that, right? Yes. Look at this here. This question also repeated, I guess so. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. Sin 2a is equal to sin a is true
Zero.
when 0. That is the option. Look at this here. Okay, this is a paper.
Sir, I think it is repeated, sir.
Yeah, this is repeated actually. This is the question repeated actually. Yeah. Guys, look at this. Any doubts here? Any doubts? Everyone turn on your cameras first. Any doubts from the entire question paper?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Guys, everyone.
Sir, the only problem I have is I don't know when to use you know how you're just transposing, rationalizing, and like adding square, removing square to like do those types of things. Like the
Do that kind of thing. It comes from practice. Shut up. So everyone might be having this kind of issue actually. प्रतिभा प्रत्युषा तुषार आहिल एक बार आपका वीडियो टर्न आने कीजिए बेटा ठीक है see here Tushar is asking that not Tushar Shadab is asking that sir when we must rationalize when we must add and subtract when we must use these kind of identities trigonometry identities when we must use algebraic identities like a plus b whole square a minus b whole square a square minus b square इसको कब यूज करना चाहिए that is what your question isn't it Shadab वही है ना करोट
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ देखो बेटा हम रेशनलाइजेशन यूज करना है कब अगर डिनोमिनेटर में इफ आई हैव डिनोमिनेटर इफ anything in denominator something like root a plus b a plus root 2 something like that if I have something like that so I can just rationalize it yes or no why because as I told you that rationalization will be applying for removing roots from the denominator for making our calculation easy we'll be applying rationalization method isn't it yes or no
Yes, sir.
and I request you all that guys I request you all that is whenever you are solving a trigonometry chapter question everyone Anujip listening whenever you are solving a question of trigonometry chapter you must look at the question first understand it I mean analyze the question first then have a look at the options so by looking at the question immediately you might rise an idea you must get an idea that oh this is how we must solve this is how I might I can solve this question that one idea you might get right everyone will be having ideas so this this is the way we must solve so they have given tan theta plus secant theta oh tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta so this is the one way after that I can take LCM I can just simplify further that is the one way you must do that after when you are doing that in between the calculation listen to me here in between the calculation what you must do is you must look at the options you must have a look at the options clear you must have a look at the options according to the option you must take a move you must move accordingly if you are moving randomly what will happen is you will get an option you will get answer but after so much of after wasting so much of time so for avoiding that please whenever you are solving the question whenever you are solving a question you must have a look at the option so what kind of a step I need to take forward in terms of getting my quick answer so look at this let me show you that where we have applied that kind of strategy look at this here पहले से देखिए बेटा पहले से from first onwards look at this in the first question look at this here in the first question look at this here I just took this as a plus b to a minus b look at this how did I get an idea that I should take this as a part and this as b part why because every term is the same here if I take this as a and b here a minus b so a plus b to a minus b I can apply this formula and do and I'll get the answer easily and here look at this here after writing this step again after writing this step I just splitted this I just expanded this a minus a plus b whole square after expanding that again I just remaining with what tan square theta secant square theta How I supposed to cancel? How I supposed to cancel so that my answer is going to be as a number, integer. Look at this here. For that, I'm writing 1 as sine square theta plus cos sine square theta minus tan square theta. Look at this here. In place of 1, I'm writing this one. If I write, so I can cancel this one and this one easily. This one easily. I just remain with this part. I can straight away cancel that. Tan. I can remove. I can just left with 2. That is going to be my final answer. And in between the question, look at this, guys. Sir, here 1 plus tan theta, it is fine. How did you get a secant theta here? That is also, look at this, tan theta into cosecant theta can be written as how? Secant theta. Sir, how did you get an idea that we have to solve that particularly? Look at this here. So I have 1 here also 1. I have tan here also have tan. Here I have secant theta, but I have here something different. How can I convert this thing into secant theta? By calculating like this. Understand, children?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Sir, I
Yes,
have a
sir.
doubt, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So look at this here. I'm telling you, here I have 1, here also 1. Here I have tan theta, here also have tan theta. Here I have secant theta. Here I need to make this tan theta into cosecant theta into secant theta so that I can apply a plus b into a minus b formula in the next step. Yes or no? How can I convert that? This is how I'm converting that. That is the basic step. Guys, are you understanding? Are you understanding, guys?
Sir, I have another doubt, sir.
Please.
We have a question 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30, no, sir.
Yes.
For that, if we use the formula tan 2a is equals to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a, then I'm getting tan 60, sir. But the answer is sine 60.
1 second. Let us see. Tell me your question, ma.
2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30.
2 tan 30, 2 tan square 30.
2 tan.
Okay. Look at this. 2 into tan 30, which is going to give me how much? 1 by root 3. 1 plus tan square 30, how much it is going to give me? 1 by 3. All right. 2 by root 3. Divided by 4 by 3. All right. 2 by root 3. 3 by 4. 2 by root 3. Into 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by 4. This pushback. So root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is of course sine 60. Any doubt? Any doubt?
Do it through the formula, then tan 60 we're getting. No, sir.
Which formula?
Tan 2a is equals to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a.
Tan 2a. Which formula?
Yes, sir. Tan 2a is equals to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a.
2 tan a by 1 plus.
Tan square a.
Who told you to apply this formula here? I don't have 2 tan. It is 2 tan a, not tan 2a. Both are different. We have difference between tan 2a and tan 2 tan a. Both are different actually. Who told you to apply that formula? That formula will be coming in your 11th standard, not in 10th standard. Understand? See here, 2 tan 2a is different than 2 tan a. Ma. Are you getting my point, Srija? Look at this here. Tan 2a is different. 2 times of tan a is different. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So tan 2a is different than tan 2 tan a. Tan 2a is 2 tan a divided by that formula. 1 plus tan square a. So 2 tan a is what? 2 times of tan a. That is different. Both are different. Clear? So you cannot apply the formula here. You cannot apply the formula. If I have something like, look at this here. If I have something like tan 2 into 30 something, then I can apply. All right. All right. So this is what the class. I hope I cleared your doubt. Yes or no? Yes or no, ma? Understood? Everyone turn on your cameras. Understood?
Yes,
Srijaji,
sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
we have a difference between tan 2a and 2 tan a. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just now I explained to Shadab. Shadab was asking, sir, what is the difference between sin 2 and 2 sin a? Same thing with follows tan a as well. So tan 2a is different than 2 tan a. Clear? So this is what the session. Actually, I hope you enjoyed the session. Any doubt from the session? Don't leave the meeting. Wait. Okay, guys, you don't have any doubts, right? You don't have any doubts. Clear?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yaar, tell me, everyone, Pratibha, Tushar ji, Ahil, Pratyusha, any doubts?
No doubt.
Chalo. Okay. Okay, guys.